Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UA design tip is to use the Harmonious gray color palette. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, these are all some of the dashboard pages that I've made over the last few days. It has lots of different little variations like a fully dark mode, sidebar dark mode, a fully warm colors with this one, and yeah, things like that. So let me select one. Okay, let's select this one. Okay, as you can see, there's selected colors over here. It has one, two, three, and four gray colors, which is slate 900, slate 300, slate 500, and slate 50. Slate 900 here, these are all like cool gray colors from the tailwind design system. So slate 900 here is used for the headings, the main text, things like this, and the sidebar um, item text. And 300 is used for all the border colors over here, everywhere. And 500 is used for all the subtext, like this one, all the text that's not the main text. And slate 50 is for the background, so the header is white but the background is in slate 50. So while you're designing, it's mm, important to have a color palette like this. So let me go to the design system for the tailwind design system. So for that dashboard that I just showed you, I'm using the slate gray colors, right? So and I have one. So let me just go back there. Yeah, I have the main um, brand color, let's say, of orange, which is used here, and the sidebar selected state, right? So that's used sparingly. And I also have the leaves pattern that I have over here. I don't know why I added that, but just to give it some sort of um naturistic feel, I guess. But yeah, other than that, everything else is in mostly gray color palette, except for the active and inactive status pills over there. Let me just go back to the system. Yeah, so I've used the slate color palette for that. So most of the page is in gray colors. Okay, so even when you're designing dashboards, landing pages, mobile apps, everything, most of your page will be with a white background or a dark background with some gray colors. And then so 90%, let's say 90% of your pages will be in some sort of gray, black, or white. 10% we can have an accent color, and to uh, another 5% we can have the main primary brand color. But most of the page only has the gray colors, as you can see in this dashboard, or even in this dashboard, right? Most of the page has the gray colors, the white colors, and some places has the purple color. That's the main color here, and the numbers are shown in green, red, things like this, right? So but as you can see, most page will have only the gray colors. And here I'm using the slate 950, slate 500, slate 300. I didn't go from slate to some other disease or some other warmer tones, right? So that's the most important part that I see some of the junior designers doing. They shuffle these colors, they just choose some colors from here, some gray color over from here, and for each and every section, each and every text, they just go in and choose some color. That's never okay. And you lose the harmony of the page. So if you choose some sort of gray, so if you choose some sort of gray in the middle, so there's some cooler gray like this, or some more warmer gray like the stone gray. If you just choose something, just go with that color palette. Go to an all color palette maker or generator, and then that can generate these 10 color palettes that you need in the page. No, not this one. Yeah, in the pages for things like this. So let me. Okay, so this one is mostly zinc color palette. It's a little warmer than the slate color palette, and you can see most of the page again has that zinc color palette. The backgrounds little faded, and you can see the text here. Everything has zinc color palette, so it looks harmonious. Even here everything has slate, the background is slate 950, and this text is also slate 950, so that it creates, I don't know if the illusion, but whenever someone sees it, makes them feel like, okay, this is professionally designed. Uh, every element goes well with one another. So that's like a big hack for like non-designers, because non-designers or someone who just sees, they're probably just gonna see your design like for 1 or 2 seconds, right? So whenever they just see something and it's like harmonious, all the colors matching, all the grays are matching, right? They don't necessarily know that that's why it looks good, but they can feel, okay, that's why this everything is fully matching. It looks great, right? And on this page the background is stored 950, and the muted color is again stored 500. The main color is white here, and things like that. Then the for the corridor color it's stored 900. So it's it for everything follows the similar principle. So if you want to create again a harmonious looking page, especially dashboards which have which if it has like fully data tables and things like this, it will be amazing to have a single color palette, single gray color palette, which you can use everywhere, and your developers can also use that single gray color palette everywhere, and your developers can intuitively know where to use the color palettes, even if you didn't give some page, right? If the color, that gray color palette is present, they can use it anywhere they want. So yeah, that's my tip today. Get this, I'll leave a link to this design system in the description. So get this design system, go with the slate color palette that never fails, and if you're feeling risky, you can go with other color palettes, and you can also go with so I made a design like this. So if you can see here, so this is fully yellow, right? The background's yellow or orange. The background's fully orange, yellow. The uh, muted color is orange 600. The main color is orange 950. So this is fully so this is like an experiment that I made. But yeah, this is fully again a single color palette, fully or orange or fully yellow, right? So again, that makes it more harmonious than to use something like gray color somewhere, fully yellow color somewhere, and things like that. Yeah. So yeah, so this is my tip for today. Use a harmonious color palette, especially the gray ones, and use the primary colors very sparingly. Probably like one thing per page. I'm using the main color three, at three places here. I wouldn't do that, but mostly use it at one. So yeah, for something like this is also selected, this is also primary color. So yeah, I'll probably use it at 1 or 2 places at once, the primary color. Other than that, I'll use the gray color everywhere. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you like this UI design tips videos and you would like to see more. Bye bye.